This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to create a HTML document and input heading on HTML document. At first, you have to open Notepad++ software. Simply double click on it. Previously, we have created index.html. Now you have to close this HTML document. Simply click on close. Now you can see a blank document. At first you have to input HTML structure. You have to input doc type HTML. Input HTML tag. Here HTML start, then HTML close. Now click on in the middle of the HTML tag and press enter. Now you have to input head tag in the middle of the HTML tag. Head start, then head close. Click in the middle of the head tag and press some enter. Then click after head tag. Then press enter and start body tag. Body start, then body close. Then footer start and footer close. Now I want to input title tag in the middle of the head tag. So I'm clicking on here and inputting title. Title start, title close. Now I want to input title in the middle of the title tag. I'm typing you have to click in the middle of the body tag. You have to input HTML heading tags. At first I want to input JSON tag. So here JSON start and JSON close. Now I want to input heading in the middle of the JSON tag. This is my first heading. Then I want to input h2 tag. So I am clicking on here and inputting h2 tag. This is my first heading. Then h2 close. Then I am pressing enter and inputting h3 tag. h3 start h3 close. I'm clicking on here and inputting heading in the middle of the h3 tag. This is my first heading. Then I am inputting h4 tag start, then h4 tag close. This is my first heading. I'm inputting h5 tag start, then h5 tag close. This is my first heading. Now I want to input the last heading tag. Last heading tag is h6. Here h6 start, then h6 close. This is my first heading. At first you have to practice like this. To save this document, click on save icon. If you look very carefully, you can see the document path is on the web design folder, which I created in the desktop. I am just inputting file name, heading. Then I have to change the shape type. I have to find the hypertext markup language file. You have to select this hypertext markup language file, which is known as HTML. You have to click on Save button. Close this document and close the Notepad++ software. Now open the web design folder and right click on heading HTML file. Move your mouse pointer on open with. You can select any browser from here. I want to open it with Google Chrome, so I am clicking on Google Chrome. Now you are able to see the HTML headings. This is the h1 tag. This tag is bigger than any other heading tags. And this is the h6 tag. This tag is smaller than any other heading tags. I hope you are able to learn about HTML heading tags. See you guys in my next lecture.